1980년 차를 훔쳐 달아나는 18살의 청년 콜린. 그는 어머니의 심부름으로 수리한 TV를 싣고 집으로 돌아가는데 황급히 도망치다 사고를 낸 콜린. TV를 들고 자리를 떠납니다.
Hey, Antoinette, let me help you.
Hey, Colin. Right there is fine.
Will you go with me sometime? Tomorrow?
I'll think about it.
소꿉친구 앙투아네트에게 데이트를 신청하고 집으로 향하는 콜린. 그런데
Okay.
오전에 차를 훔쳤던 탓인지 경찰들이 다가와 그를 체포해가죠. 하지만
So go ahead. Why did you shoot Marvin?
Excuse me? I didn't shoot anybody. I'm sorry, sir. You guys have made a mistake.
We have an eyewitness who picked you out of a photo line.
I ain't no killer.
듣지도 보지도 못한 살인사건의 용의자가 되어버린 콜린. 아무리 부정해도 경찰은 목격자가 있다며 그를 구금시켜버립니다. 그렇게 하루아침에 구치소 신세가 된 콜린. 친구 칼에게 연락해 보상을 부탁하지만
The prisoner's name?
Colin Warner?
Nope, he's been denied bail till he goes to trial unless the judge rules otherwise.
I'm sorry, Dredd.
So where's my mother?
She had to go to work. Something with the boss. You all right, man?
It's fucked up in here. Nobody wanna listen to me.
The truth is going to come out. Just hang in there until the trial starts.
그렇게 속절없이 구치소 생활을 시작하게 된 콜린. 그런데 수감자들 사이에서는 경찰들이 엉뚱한 용의자를 체포했다고 소문이 돌기 시작했고 콜린은 그들을 찾아가 질문하는데
Hey, you know a guy named Marvin Grant?
He used to live in my building. He shot a guy named Spangler a couple of days before he was murdered. So Spangler's cousin was out for revenge.
사건의 진범을 알고 있는 수감자. 콜린은 경찰에게 진술해달라고 부탁하고 다음날 경찰이 찾아오는데
Shooter and not Colin.
Colin had nothing to do with it. Whole neighborhood know what happened.
작은 동네에 모여 사는 이웃 주민들은 보복에 대한 두려움과 사법제도에 대한 불신, 여러 이유로 증언을 꺼려 했고 결국 콜린은 재판으로 넘어가게 되죠.
Please don't let it be a cell.
그렇게 구치소에서 6개월이 흐르고 경찰은 사건의 진범 앤소니를 체포했지만 목격자의 증언에 의존해 콜린을 범인으로 확정지었죠. 그렇게 진범 앤소니는 공범으로 재판장에 서게 됩니다.
Bruce Regan Strange. The court appointed me to represent you at trial, and they want to move quickly because of this judge. So
They found a witness?
he was picked up on a robbery charge last night.
And they got the guy who did it. I'm telling you, I had nothing to do with this.
And these guys they're stuck with, and they just want convictions, and they'll throw whatever they can at you. No weapon, there's no physical evidence. So this is a case we can actually win.
그렇게 2년이 흐르고 경찰은 목격자를 찾아내 재판을 진행하는데
Who was driving the car?
Colin.
And what happened when they stopped the car?
Anthony shot him.
You mean Colin?
No, Anthony.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
You're being charged with armed robbery, is that correct?
From the district attorney's office advised you that if you testified, were you ever advised of that?
Yes.
Objection, Your Honor.
Sustained.
Did you tell them that Colin Warner shot Marvin Grant? But that wasn't true, was it?
Yes.
That Colin Warner never shot Marvin Grant?
Yes.
그리고 뒤이어 피해자의 동생 또한 증언대에 서지만 어째선지 콜린에게 불리한 증언을 쏟아내죠.
Colin Warner and Anthony Gibson before your brother was killed?
Yes,
Did you ever see them with your brother Marvin?
yes.
콜린과 일면식도 없던 목격자와 피해자의 동생은 콜린을 범인으로 지목했고 결국 재판은 불리하게 끝이 납니다.
A life has been taken in the case of Colin Warner of 15 years to life.
2년간 이어진 구금 재판에 최대 종신형을 선고받은 콜린. 그는 주립교도소에 수감되어 버리죠.
Arms out. Arms out.
인생이 주마등처럼 스쳐 지나가는 콜린. 그는 매일 아침 이렇게 읊조리며 잠에서 깨어났습니다.
Please don't let it be a cell.
콜린의 변호사와 친구 칼은 곧장 항소장을 제출해보지만 그렇게 6년이 흘러버리죠.
I wish you could see her, man. She's gonna know her Uncle Colin, all right? I promise you that.
Congratulations, Bertrand.
친구 칼이 결혼해 딸까지 낳은 6년. 6년간 애타게 기다린 항소는 기각이 되어버립니다.
The appeal was denied. Does this on a regular basis.
이 소식을 들은 칼은 직접 사람들을 찾아가 도움을 요청하고
But we're raising money for Colin's appeal.
콜린의 소꿉친구 앙투아네트에게도 찾아가죠.
Casey,
Tonette, when did you get back?
I just got off active duty last month.
You remember Colin? He got arrested for murder he didn't do.
How long has he been in jail?
Going on 6 years now.
It's nice to see you.
Been a long time.
칼과 함께 콜린의 면회를 가 상황을 뒤늦게 알게 된 앙투아네트. 누명을 쓴 콜린은 6년이 흘러도 현실에 적응할 수 없었죠.
Hi, Grandma. It's Colin. I called to wish you a happy birthday.
When you done, let's go.
억울함과 분노를 교도관에게 표출한 콜린. 그는 2년간 독방 신세가 되어버립니다.
Stand up. Remove your clothes.
어느덧 시간은 12년이 흘러버리고 콜린은 자신을 키워준 할머니를 감옥에서 떠나보내야 했죠.
I get to realize now that prison is more mental than physical. I refuse to become what they label me. I tell myself, go back and fight. The truth cannot be hidden forever. My goal was clear my name.
콜린과 편지를 주고받던 앙투아네트. 그녀는 매주 시간을 내어 콜린을 찾아갔고 그에게 많은 힘이 되어주었습니다.
Do you remember that day I fell off my bike? You saw me and you took me by the arm, carried my bike all the way home. I always knew you were a good kid.
한편 항소 전문 변호사를 찾던 칼. 많은 거절 끝에 겨우 한 변호사를 수임하고
There's more than enough to work with here.
Well, I'm gonna need some time to put the money together.
칼은 또다시 이곳저곳에서 모금을 얻지만 $5,000가 부족했고 칼은 직접 은행에서 대출을 받기로 하는데
What's this $5,000 line of credit?
I had to pull some funds for the appeal.
There's about to be 4 of us soon, and we're already behind on everything as it.
And I'm gonna work weekends at the other garage.
그렇게 시간이 흘러 콜린은 교도소에서 검정고시에 합격하고 콜린의 항소 재판이 시작되는데 자신만만하게 이야기하던 변호사는 사건 정리도 하지 않은 채 법정에서
Would you please proceed?
Sorry.
저로의 기회는 어이없게 날아가 버리죠.
Listen, when you don't have the facts of the case, don't.
If you don't agree, feel free to seek other counsel. I'll let you know when I receive a formal ruling.
그렇게 항소만을 기다리던 콜린은 또 한 번의 좌절을 겪어야만 했습니다.
Hey, how'd it go?
They ain't hearing it.
We're gonna keep fighting for you.
I should get going. Thank you, brethren.
하지만 칼과 콜린은 포기할 수 없었고 교도소에서 15년의 형기를 보낸 콜린. 마침내 가석방 심사를 받게 되는데
You're Colin Warner?
Yes, sir.
Why the shooting, Mr. Warner?
I didn't commit this crime. I've been wrongfully incarcerated for 15 years.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. You've been written up for assaults on both inmates and staff.
I was arrested when I was 18 years old, and being that I was innocent, it was just very difficult for me to adjust to prison life. I got my GED. I got 2 years of community college.
A jury in a court of competent jurisdiction says you did, and that's what we follow. I need you to be aware that your protestations of innocence fall on deaf ears.
You don't accept my reasons?
That's quite right. They may be excuses, damn poor ones at that, but they're certainly not reasons. Mr. Warner is denied parole.
저지르지 않은 죄에 대해 인정해야 하는 상황. 콜린의 가석방은 불어대 버리죠. 그렇게 콜린의 마지막 희망은 사라집니다.
You got to stop coming up here. They took everything from me, and they're gonna keep me in here until I say I killed that man.
Hello?
Just stop coming up here.
소식을 전해 들은 칼. 콜린만큼이나 법을 공부했던 그는 콜린을 찾아가 자신이 직접 항소하겠다고 이야기하죠.
On murder charges, unless he thinks you're innocent.
Why you still at this, man? You got your life.
It's not just about you. It could be me in here. Sometimes I feel like it is me.
그렇게 칼은 영장 송달인 일을 하며 친분을 쌓게 된 변호사를 찾아가 도움을 요청합니다.
Do you have his court records?
Yeah, I got it all in my car right now.
그렇게 사건을 살펴본 변호사 윌리엄. 사건은 너무나 터무니없었고
The prosecution's work is sloppy to the point of being unethical. I found a release record for Anthony Gibson. First time he was up for parole, they let him out.
진범 앤서니는 가석방이 됐을 뿐더러 강도로 붙잡혔던 목격자는 너무나 짧은 형량을 마치고 출소한 후였죠.
Whatever the truth is, these kids know it.
그렇게 윌리엄은 피해자의 친동생 리언에게 연락해 도움을 요청합니다.
Please, just hear me out. They have the wrong guy in prison, and an innocent man is doing a life sentence. But this doesn't help you, brother.
그렇게 며칠 후 리언에게 당시의 상황을 전해 듣게 되는데 자신의 친구였던 클래런스를 목격자로 삼은 검찰은 그를 관할소로 데려가 오랜 시간 용의자 사진을 보여주며 압박했고 어린 소년인이었던 클래런스는 압박에 못 이겨 일면식 없는 콜린을 지목한 것이었죠.
There's somebody's picture.
You mean Colin Warner?
Yeah.
What do you mean you don't see a gun? Did you see a gun? I guess, yeah. I guess he had a gun.
Were you ever questioned by Detective Cassell?
And he laid out 4 photos on the table. And he said, do you know any of these guys? Well, it's Colin Warner's photo. You don't know this guy? Never seen this guy before? And I said, I might have. The only reason I said that was because he was badgering me. I wanted him to stop. So I told him what he wanted to hear. Well, that's the guy who shot your brother.
그리고 뒤이어 진범 앤서니에게도 사건의 진실을 듣게 됩니다.
Anybody else who was involved with killing my cousin? You're Marvin! I touched the back of Marvin's head with the gun. And that was that.
Was Clarence Lewis present? What about his testimony was a lie?
Everything. You know, the real witnesses, they never took the stand.
When was it you first heard of Colin Warner?
Right after my arrest, they showed me his picture at the precinct and asked me if I knew him. And I tell him I never seen this man before in my life.
이후 칼과 리오는 피해자의 옆에 있었던 맞섭을 찾아가 증언을 부탁하지만
Yo, Maso? Who you? Me Marvin, brother. We can't forget Marvin, man. Why you here, man? I got too many problems being involved with that.
그는 증언을 거부하고 또다시 기회는 날아가 버리죠. 그렇게 콜린이 수감된 지 20년이 흐르고 칼은 증언들을 재검토하던 중 한 사람을 발견해내 곧장 찾아갑니다.
Whatever you gotta do to me, I'll go with you. I want you to tell Colin I'm sorry. Those cops, they used me.
He's not here to hurt you. We're gonna get him out.
That man's still in jail.
20 years now.
그렇게 강압적인 신문과 부실한 증언들을 확보한 윌리엄과 칼. 그는 자료들을 모아 언론에 곧장 제보하고 콜린의 항소를 제출하죠.
It's all in there, Bridget. We finally have everything we need. We gotta take a picture for the press real quick.
I have a media strategy.
Yo, stop looking like you killed someone.
그렇게 콜린의 사건은 세간의 관심을 받게 되고
Joining us now by phone from Clinton Correctional Facility is Colin Warner.
Once you're convicted, no longer a presumption of innocence there ever was.
There's a presumption of guilt.
States will try to knock you down until you give up.
Wrongfully incarcerated for over 21 years now.
Now, I understand you were denied parole.
Let me out unless I express remorse for a crime that I did not commit.
And I'm not willing to do that.
21년 만에 재심이 열리며 콜린은 결국 무죄를 선고받습니다.
Based on our findings, the people join in application with the defense, dismiss the indictment, and vacate the conviction of Colin Warner.
Love you so much.
Please don't let it be a cell.
I'm not angry at nobody. Everybody has the burden to bear. It's been a long battle, but I finally won. I claim that they're innocent, not to stop fighting.
지금 보신 이 작품 2017년에 공개된 맷 러스킨 감독의 크라운 하이츠였습니다. 1980년에 실제로 벌어진 사건을 바탕으로 만든 이 작품은 한 청년이 누명을 쓰고 무려 20년을 감옥에서 보냈다는 충격적인 사실로 시작하는데요. 끝까지 포기하지 않고 친구 칼이 펼친 집요한 노력과 그 과정에서 드러나는 콜린과 칼의 우정은 굉장히 감동적이었습니다. 특히 영화는 개인의 이야기를 통해 목격자 식별, 수사 관행, 인종, 계급 문제 등 구조적 불의를 날카롭게 제기하는데 그 메시지가 여운으로 남았습니다. 다만 서사의 큰 흐름이나 결말 전개는 비교적 예측이 가능해 순수한 영화적 재미 측면에서는 아쉬움이 남았습니다. 그럼에도 불구하고 사실 기반 드라마의 밀도 있는 울림을 좋아하신다면 충분히 추천할 만한 작품인 것 같습니다. 크라운 하이츠 추천드리면서 오늘 영상 여기서 마치겠습니다. 재밌게 보셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드립니다. 항상 건강하시길 바라겠습니다.